Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You are watching Learn Programming by Lucky Sir YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn entry questions who are having experience between 2 to 5 years. When you reach experience level of more than 2 years, it is assumed by the interviewer that you have good hand-on experience in Java stack. Sometimes the interviews are for a specific project, like a project may require candidate to have experience in Spring or Struts or Hibernate. Sometimes specific skills are looked for, like the candidate should have experience in SOAP and REST web services. So here are the list of questions for experienced developers. The first question is everyone can expect, that is, tell me something about yourself. The interviewer is not interested in your education qualifications or were you involved in extracurricular activities in school, because this is not a fresher interview. So what the interviewer is interested in is your professional experience and your skills. A simple answer to this question would be, hello sir, I am Lucky. Currently I am working with XYZ company having 2 years of experience in Java, Spring and Hibernate. I am also aware about deployment in Java server. This tells the interviewer that you are aware of what you know. The next question is, what is your current project? This is actually a very important question which candidates to practice and fail often. Most of the interviews answer is my current project is XYZ. We are using technologies like JSP, Spring and Hibernate. The interviewer is interested in first knowing what the project is about, what kind of business it was, who are the clients, etc. A sample answer would be, my current project is XYZ. It is a telecom or banking domain project. The client is X company. It is a web-based application. The project business objective is to showcase various products developed by the client online and attract customers. So make sure that you have the complete information about the project. Immediately, the next question you may expect, what was your role in the project? Here you have to describe your daily activities like analyzing defects, use cases, creating low-level design, impact analysis documents, estimating tasks, doing document, and also unit testing. This tells the interviewer that you are aware of the complete STLs of the project. Now he will start from core Java questions. Core Java is a vast topic and needs time and practice to master. The candidate has to be aware of about topics like OOPS concepts, multi-threading, collections, etc. Collections is also a very important topic while facing interviews. Just knowing how to use a collection class is not enough. The candidate should also know how to specific collection works internally. Sometimes the interviewer is also interested in knowing the multi-threading skills of the candidate. And mind it that only knowing that how to create a thread is not enough. Next, he will ask advanced topic. That means from J to E questions. J to E questions may comprise of first few questions about working on servlets, JSP, HTML and web servers. You may also be asked to write some code about servlets, how to pass parameters to a servlet from JSP, what is get and post methods, what are the scopes in JSP, etc. Some of the core components in Spring on which questions can be asked are Spring modules, Spring MVC configuration, Spring MVC flow, data flow, Spring IOC, Spring AOP, etc. Ideally, the candidate should be aware how to create a small Spring application from scratch. Finally, the interviewer asked about SDLC background like low-level design and UML. Some interviewers also want to know the UML and design skills of the candidate. Actually, at this level of experience, not much is expected, but if the candidate is aware about the basic aspects, it adds advantage over other candidates. Design questions would be how to identify and use abstract classes over interface or vice versa. When to use composition over inheritance, what is a class diagram, what is a sequence diagram, etc. What are the different types of relationships between a class. So this is overall about how the interview will be and the topics to be brushed. So I hope you enjoying these videos. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share to your friends also. Thank you for visit.